how to add the calendar next event widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 14 series. So let's first go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, you want to lock your device so that it goes into the lock screen. On my lock screen here, I'm going to activate the lock screen and then touch and hold. Then touch and hold again the second time. This time put in the passcode to unlock your screen. In here, go to the lock screen that you want to add the widget and then tap on customize. Then at the top here, tap on add widget. Next, go down and tap on calendar, and in here tap on the widget that you would like to use. You have a small one or a larger one, and then tap on the close button. Now if there is already widgets in your widget panel, you can remove an old one to make room for the new one. And from there you can tap on the calendar, and then you can tap on the widget that you want to add to the widget panel. And that's it. After that, tap on the done button to save the changes. And in here from the pop, tap on set as wallpaper pair. And then tap on the lock screen to finish off. And that's it. That is how you can add the calendar widget to your lock screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.